Monkeys love banana, but not all banana grow in monkeyland. Some banana come from faraway jungle. Foreign banana cheap, local banana not sell. Local banana farmer cry. Monkey government say no, 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 foreign banana too cheap. Monkey farmer go broke. So monkey government add tariff. Tariff is leaf tax on foreign banana. Now foreign banana cost more leaves. Local banana no longer sad. Monkeys buy local banana. Monkey farmer happy. Monkey jobs come back. This is called protection. But monkey buyers not happy. Banana more expensive. Same banana more leaves. Monkey wallet hurt. Foreign banana farmer angry. Can't sell banana. Foreign jungle add tariff on monkey coconuts. Monkey jungle add more tariff on foreign pineapples. This is trade war, banana war, coconut war, fruit fight. No monkey win. Some monkeys say no more tariff. Let banana trade be free. This is free trade. Banana from everywhere. Cheap banana. Happy monkeys. But sometimes foreign banana too cheap. Banana costs less than it takes to grow. This is banana dumping. Foreign monkey try to destroy local banana farmer. Local banana price crash. Monkey farmer cry again. Monkey government gives subsidy. Free leaves for local farmers. Help grow banana. Help fight dumping. But foreign monkeys say you cheat. More tariff. Tariff war continues. Now monkey land imports more banana than it sells. This is trade deficit. Banana in, no banana out. Monkey jungle owes leaves. Some monkeys say tariff is bad. Some monkeys say tariff is good. Too many tariffs causes expensive banana. Not enough tariffs causes no more banana jobs. Banana economy is balanced. Monkey just want banana, not banana war.